Welcome you all to the second part of our today's lecture, that is design period and population forecast. We have already learned about design period and population forecasting. What is population forecasting? We have already discussed in our first part. So in this part we will learn broadly about population forecasting methods. The first method is arithmetic increase method, geometric increase method, incremental increase method, decreasing rate of growth method, simple graphical method, comparative graphical method, ratio method, and last but not the least is your logistic curve method. So in today's lecture we will be discussing mainly about arithmetic increase method, geometric increase method, and incremental increase method, and also we will solve one numerical related to arithmetic increase method. So first is arithmetic increase method. Let us discuss about this method. So this method is based on the assumption that the population increases at a constant rate, that is dp by dt is equal to constant. So this is the formula: Pn is equal to P naught plus nx bar, where Pn is your forecasted population after n decades, P naught is your last known population, n is your number of decades, and x bar is average of population increases in the known decade. So, and this method is most applicable to large and established cities. Okay, so this is all about arithmetic increase method. Next is your geometric increase method. So this method, it is based on the assumption that percentage growth rate is constant. So the formula used here is Pn is equal to P naught 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. So this notations are same for all, where Pn is the forecasted population after n decades, P naught is equal to last known population, n is equal to number of decades, R is the assumed growth rate. Also this method it must be used with caution, okay, for when applied it may be produce too large results for rapidly grown cities in comparatively short time. So this would apply to cities with unlimited scope of expansion. As cities grows large, there is a tendency to decrease in the rate of growth. Basically this is the condition where you can use geometric increase method. Next is your incremental increase method. So growth rate is assumed to be progressively increasing or decreasing depending upon whether the average of the incremental increases in the past is positive or negative. So the population, for a future decade is worked out by adding the mean arithmetic increase to the last known population, as in the arithmetic increase method. And to this is added the average of incremental increases, once for the first decade, twice for the second, and so on. So this is the formula, and the notations are also same for the for the previous arithmetic and geometric increase method. So as cities grow large, there is a tendency to decrease in the rate of growth. So this is all about incremental increase method. Okay, so we will solve out one problem related to arithmetic increase method. The problem is predict the population for the years 1980, 1990, 2000 from the following census figures of a town by arithmetic increase method. So the years are given as 1930, 1940, 1950, 1960 and 1970. Accordingly the populations are also given. So what we will do, we will make one chart with the first column is year. We will put the years whatever is given in the question. We will the next column will be population. We will write the populations according to the question. Third column will be your increase in population x. So what will we do is that we will minus the populations of the last decade and minus the first decade. Okay, so here we will do 1940 minus 1930. So 28,000 minus 25,000, we got 3,000. Then 34,000 minus 28,000, we got 6,000. Similarly we will minus all the populations and we will get accordingly 8,000 and 5,000. So we will add up this increase in population. We will get 22,000. Now we will have to find the mean, so we will divide it by 4 and we will get 5,500. Now we will use the arithmetic increase method formula, that is your Pn is equal to P naught plus Nx bar. So what population we need to find out? In the question it is given to find out 1980, 1990 and 2000. So 1980 we will find out. We will use the formula. We will P naught. P naught is what? Population in the previous decade, that is your in 1970. Since 1980 we need to find out, so the previous year is your 1970. So in 1970 the population was 47,000, so we have put accordingly 47,000 here. So plus Nx bar, what is N here? N is your first decade here, so we will you put 1 into X bar. X is what? 5,500. So we have put 1 into 5,500, that is we got 52,500. Accordingly we have solved 1990 and the year 2000. So we have got 58,000 and 63,500. I hope this numerical is clear. It is very simple. Okay, try out at your home to solve this problem and some similar problems related to arithmetic increase method. Thank you.